Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this brand new concealer from Natasha Denona, and this is it. And I'm going to state right off the bat that this concealer is as perfect as concealers come. So let's make a start. I'm going to do a full face and I'm also going to use it as a concealer. So I'm just going to prep the skin with a tiny bit of serum, just a little bit. I have this beautiful spot that has been there for a couple of weeks and it just came to a head this morning. So lovely. Okay, skin prepped. Let's make a start. So the concealer is Hy-Glam. Now I'm going to be using shade N4 and it comes with an applicator, as you can see here, a doe foot applicator. So I'm going to use it all over the face as a foundation and then as a concealer. So 3 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot. You know me with foundation and concealer. I don't want it to look like anything. So I'm just going to blend this in. And the coverage of this is perfect. It has a natural radiant finish to it. It's not matte, but it's not shiny in the slightest. It is a very natural finish to it. Generally speaking, with this product and my skin, I don't really need to go in with a separate concealer, but I will for this video. It evens out the skin tone. It takes away the redness. It is perfect. Now, with the amount that I've used, it will require no setting at all. So I'm not going to set it for this video, but normally you would set things, and I certainly would if I were going out. So you can see with this spot, it's taken away the redness, which is all I really wanted. I mean, I'd like it to go, because it's been there for like a year. And it's just perfect. It feels like skin. It looks like no one knows you've got anything on here. No one would know. It is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to take another concealer and just go underneath the eyes. So I'm going to take N3, which is just a shade lighter. And I'm just going to apply a small amount just to these inner corners, just for added brightness. I'm going to take my finger, and a little of this, as you can see, goes a very long way. So I'm going to pat it into place just for brightness. And then take that foundation brush and just kind of smooth it in. I will add a little bit of color, because otherwise the face is just really washed out. So for me, I wouldn't use this as a concealer because I don't need it, and I don't want to add product where I don't need it. But for this, I wanted to just show you the effect of it. And let me just pop on a little bit of color, or a lot of color. You know what I'm like. And blend that out. Just to give you an idea, because when you've just got foundation on or concealer, you just look ghastly and your skin looks flawless, but you just look drawn and unwell. And there we go. It is so beautiful. It's so perfect. Everything about this concealer is amazing. Let me just show you the texture on the back of my hand. It is long wear. It claims to be non-creasing. Everything claims to be non-creasing, depends on your skin, but it is as close to perfection as you're ever going to get from a concealer. It is holy grail stuff. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm in love with it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. I'll leave all the information and links, get that red chin, in the description bar. Thanks for watching, my lovely people. See you all soon. Bye-bye.